Welcome again, everyone. My name is Joel Broughton, and we are going to basically just set up a free website here, create some backlinks to our sites. To be able to do that, I've come to webs.com, webs.com. I had given you the list of free websites earlier in our search engine training. Here they are. If you want to type them out or write them all down, okay, there they are. Also, you could just go to any search engine, and you can also find, just type in free websites or set up a free website or free hosting or something like that, and you'll be able to set one up. All right. So basically, we're just going to come right here, select a website type. You can go business, personal, group. I'm just going to pick personal. Get started. Okay, and here we go, another form. So we'll watch me fill these out. If you've been watching them all, you might be getting sick of me filling these out by now. My name. And again, make sure that you do keep this data in somewhere that that you're not going to lose, because we're not just going to set this up and then go. We're going to actually continue to come back and use this. Colleague, site address. All right, so site address. Now, the domain name that we want to pick, this is important for these free websites. You're going to want to try to put your keyword into the domain name. The domain name, it doesn't matter how long it is. So for instance, I don't know why it keeps doing that on me. So for instance, let's see, here's my keywords again. All right, online home business, internet home business. So I'm going to try to get something with online home business in it. So let's just move that over. Online home business. Got to put it together, obviously. And we'll see. Not available. Okay. So let's go how to start an online home business. All right, site is available. So that one's pretty good. Actually, I'm going to make it a little shorter. Start an online home business. Let's try that. Or let's try new online home business. That works too. Okay. So basically, I'm going to put my site title here, online home business. And we're just going to keep this. I mean, you can obviously put small business if you want, groups, org. I'm just going to keep personal, and we're just going to make it a personal site there. You can also make it a review site, I guess, if you want. You can pick any of those. Okay, so here we go. Now we'll just go down and we're going to just select a template. Most free websites have a lot of templates. All right, you can go through pages and pages and pages and pages of templates here. Not really required. Obviously, we just want to grab a template. If you want to put some personality into it, you can, but really it's it's not that big a deal. I'm just going to pick this one. All right, seasonal, and agree and continue to the next step. Okay, so now for these sites, basically we're not going to worry too much about interests and calendar and members and profiles and all that kind of stuff, because again, the purpose of these sites it's not like Facebook or like a blog where we're trying to connect with people. All it is it's simply just a site where we're going to create a little bit of content and create some backlinks. Okay, so I'm just going to go create my site. All right, they're going to try and sell you stuff. You can upgrade. All right, select packages. I'm just going to click on no thanks and continue. Okay, and it's going to load up the site builder. Okay, so you can watch. They also have video tutorials, and they'll be a lot more in depth, obviously, than what I'm showing you. But all I'm going to show you is what we really are going to need or use anyway. So you can feel free to watch their tutorials. I'm just going to start building it right away. All right, so essentially we've got a few different links here that they've created for us. This is our title, perfect, okay, and that's great to have your keyword right in the title, obviously. So we're just going to click on the content box here, All right, and it's going to add some information down here at the bottom. Okay, so we can just basically start filling in the blanks. Okay, we can start filling in. So I'm just going to put. I'm going to put something a little different again than what we used for our articles, because we do want original content on these. All right, they don't have to be long, they don't have to be crazy, but they should be original content. So how I started a fabulous online home business, okay, for the title. And then we're just going to add the main content in here. Okay, and basically I'm just going to start typing. All right, I'm just going to start writing. So I'm going to just pause the video while I write out kind of a little bit of a paragraph here for some content, and then I'll show you how to put the links in there. Okay, so basically I've created a short little couple paragraphs here. You don't even necessarily need this long. You can even just have it starting off with you know, maybe 2 paragraphs. Okay, but you know, sometimes I kind of get into writing and I write a little bit of a story and stuff like that. So basically now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, now that I've written it, I'm going to do 2 things. One, I'm going to check my keyword density. All right, very important all the time to check to see how many keywords we have, how many words we have, obviously in our paragraph versus the keyword density. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to link this to my websites. All right, so first off, I'm going to bring this. I'm actually just going to cut and paste this into a Word document here. Over here, very simple, and it'll do a count for me here, 184 words. So at 184 words, we need, let's see, bring a calculator, 184. I should be able to do this in my head. 184 divided by 100, 1.84. Okay, so 1.84 times 1.5, so I need about 3 of the main keyword, okay, and about 1.5, probably 1 of the other keyword. All right, so let's just do a check here at how many keywords we have in this sentence. So let's see, I love that, it keeps doing that. Online home business, 1, 2. Okay, and we got it in the title, so that's pretty good. And then the additional keywords, the additional keywords that we have here are start. I think I got start a home-based business right there. Okay, that's 1 online. I think that's it. Okay, so that looks good. So we've got about the correct keyword density that we do want. Now I'm just going to write a short little signature block here. And I'm just going to grab the signature block actually from maybe my press release. Again, you know, let's just yeah, grab it from my press release. Let's just make it simple. All right, let's make it easy to be able to do this. Okay, add that in there. Didn't take it. Okay, I'll just type it up. Okay, so I've created now my signature block there. Okay, I've got Joel Broughton's an internet business coach, father of 4, and this is slightly different than what I've used before. So again, it doesn't really match up to any of the other content, so it'll be basically brand new content. So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to come up here. There's a bunch of symbols, and I'm actually going to spice this up a little bit. I'm going to make this bold. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, maybe that's too big. All right, and I can underline stuff if you want. I'm actually just going to bold some of my keywords. I like doing that. Online home business. And where else do we have it? I have it at the top here somewhere. I'll just put that one too. Bold that one. Don't have to go too crazy with the bolding and stuff. All right. And I'm going to link them. Okay, so I'm just going to click on link. All right, and I'm going to link it back to my website. Okay, open a new window. No, I don't want them staying on this website. I want them going to my new one. Okay, so now that has just created a link for there. Online home business, I'm going to create a link for that as well. And so just highlight it, come up here, insert link. And most of these sites will be the same for creating links and stuff like that. This one's very, very easy. I'm going to send this one to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/elite marketing center. Okay, insert. All right. Now, sometimes too, you can you'll see this little paper clip. It almost looks like a paper clip, or I'm not sure what it is, but sometimes up at the top here, you'll also see that little paper clip button instead of kind of it saying link. This one's easy. It just says link. You can put videos, photos. All right. Add content boxes. Very easy to do this stuff. But sometimes it'll just have like a little, almost like a little paper clip up here, and that'll be the link. Also, you can, if you can't find stuff, you can change it to HTML. All right, and insert custom HTML, where you could just insert that code that I sent you, okay, or that I showed you earlier. So we're not going to do that. This one, Joel Broughton, we got a link. Sometimes they won't link them automatically either, so I'm going to link that to Joel, obviously to my website. Okay, and let's link this one to my blog. Insert a link. Actually, let's link this one back to the YouTube channel again. Marketing Center. Okay, so all the online home businesses I'm going to link back to my YouTube channel. This one I link to my joelbroughton.com, my main website. Let's see, I think there's another link in here somewhere. I just don't happen to see it. I thought we had 3. Oh, the title. Can link the title, I guess. Oh, they won't let us link the title. Linking title is not a bad idea if you can, because it gives it a little bit more weight as well. I think that's all of the links. A lot easier. Just go through this. So now we end up basically with a couple of backlinks here, all right, to our site. And let's just click on publish, all right, to save the page. So up at the top here, all right, publish all pages. Published. All right, so now you can always add new pages. You can go back into your pages and see them and edit them. Let me just see if I can click on home. This should take me to this page here. Okay. And it's got all the links in there. Now, basically, the other thing that you can do if you want to is you can find your website as well. So I'm just going to pull up, I'm just going to see if I can pull up my website here by going to HTTP, what did we call it? New online home business.webs.com, and they'll probably email you that as well. All right, so here we go. So here is the website, okay, that I just created. This actually shouldn't be here. This, I just added an extra one. I can add some more content there, but basically this is how it looks like. Very simple, almost just like the blog, right? But it's just a different page. We've got our keywords. We've got some hyperlinks, all right, that go to our sites. All right, take us over to the YouTube site. Okay, it doesn't open a new page because, again, we don't want the traffic staying there. We want the traffic coming to our pages. Sometimes if you're hyperlinking out of your YouTube channel or out of your blog or something like that, you can make it so that it opens a new window if you want. But out of these free sites, I just always send them directly to the page. All right, so that's it. That's as simple as it is. We created our page, and then when you log back in and come back to these sites, you can always do a couple different things. You can just add more content to that same page, all right? Or like we were doing a second ago, we can always add new pages as well. So we've got multiple pages in our website. On here you can also add some videos if you want. You can add a photo gallery. I mean, I wouldn't spend a lot of time doing all this other stuff that they have because of course we're just trying to build backlinks into our site. So that's it. I mean, just make sure you keep track of your sites so that you can come back and update them regularly, add some more links, add some more pages, and just go ahead and do this on lots of free different websites to be able to build lots of backlinks to your sites. So have a great day, and we'll see you guys in the next video.